Tired of chasing payments? Let's automate that. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up auto payments with Stripe, turning your business into a well-oiled, revenue-generating machine. First, log into your Stripe account, then navigate to the products section. This is where you'll define what you're selling, whether it's a subscription box, a software service, or even a payment plan. Click Add Product. Give your product a clear, descriptive name, something your customers will easily recognize on their invoices. Then, set your pricing. Now, the key step under pricing options, select recurring. This tells Stripe you want to charge your customers on a regular basis. Choose your interval: daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly, and set the amount you'll charge. You can also customize things further, like offering a free trial period. This is great for attracting new customers and giving them a taste of what you offer. Configure these options to match your business model. Once you've set up your product and pricing, Stripe will generate a subscription link for you. Share this link with your customers. They'll use it to securely enter their payment information. When a customer clicks the link, they'll be taken to a secure, Stripe-hosted page. After they subscribe, Stripe will automatically charge them according to the schedule you define. You can manage all your subscriptions from the Stripe dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully set up automated payments with Stripe. Now you can focus on growing your business while Stripe handles the billing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tutorials.